Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today I've got a 2026 Harris Solstice 250 DC, which gives you the dual console, full windshield. Gloss black with the silver metal flake. Rough water package. Powered by a Mercury 300 V8. Stepping up on the back of the boat, you got a rear sun lounger, dual captain seats, the full windshield, bolster seats, Mercury DTS, awesome layout. You have the protection of the windshields all the way across. Plenty of storage and cup holders. Absolutely gorgeous boat. If you'd like to see more boats like this, come and see us at MarineMax Lake Ozark. Thank you.